Here's a look at the emini S&P for Monday, August the 22nd, 2011. What we'd like to do at emini Day Trader, in case you haven't seen one of our videos before, is to take a look at the market profiles, and each one of these is a market profile. For example, this is today's market profile with the corresponding volume profile. This one over here is what occurred on Friday. The one in the middle is the overnight session. So we like to use these market profiles to get a good idea as to what we think the condition of the market is. Is it mostly, and this is for an intraday basis, not just within the day, but from day to day, is the market mostly consolidating, mostly trending? What phase of that auction cycle is it in? And also where some really good likely support and resistance areas are, where the market could either spend more time or perhaps be rejected and spend very little time. So when we were looking at the market at the close of business on Friday, we had seen that let's see, our areas that we had of likely support, of course, the main one is at 21 down here. You can see the market did dip below it, got all the way down to 11 overnight, and then rallied all the way up here, and our overhead resistance was at 46, and that's exactly where the market hit overnight, and just one tick lower than that in the regular trading hours right here, right after the open. So this little red mark right here is the open. As you can see, the market basically sold off for the rest of the day. It did dip below 21. It got to 18 and a half. Then it had about a 5 or so 6-point rally and closed here to finish off the day right around 24. So the market here is obviously it's still pretty weak. No reason to believe that a low is yet in place, although it's certainly trying to do that with this consolidation that we have had here for really almost 3 days. You could even throw Thursday in there too. So 21 is still the key area. If it holds below that, look out below. It's likely to hit down at least to the 11, 12. 12 was our next support area, hit 11 overnight, and then down to 1097 and lower. Our resistance above the market is still at 46, and even lower resistance in around the 38 area. Here's our market profiles from just the regular trading hours only, and we also use them in our analysis. Here is our software that uses the principles of the auction process to identify trades in real time and other good structural pieces of information that help us in our trades. We had a long trade trigger here, and the other two trades we had today, you can see it was a combination short there. You can see in this case the dashed red lines went all the way over here, so we didn't get filled till here. This one filled us right away, had a beautiful fill right here, and then the market dropped right away. So this is a good short trade. That was actually the third trade of the day. Market hit our entry price right on, and then had a good sell-off from 23.50 down to 19. So we had good profits, easily reaching our first two objectives on that trade. Our first objective, by the way, is just 3/4 of a point, and our second objective is 1.5 points. On the second trade here, let me just see here. Actually, the first trade here, this long trade, we didn't actually take this, and the reason being, of course, is we're in a neutral filter, and we're really in a sideways sort of leaning down market, and as a result, we really want to take a trade with the filter. I mean, this trade really didn't have anything going for it, other than the fact that the market had just come down to 31, which was also a potential support area. So, it was something that we just didn't take the trade because of that. This was actually, I'm sorry, this was actually our second trade. It was the third trade set up, but the second trade entered, so it was not number 3. This is actually number 3 over here. As you can see, these dashed red lines, we had two of them just one tick apart, so just one trade here on the lower one because we're shorting. It did drop a point and a quarter, so it hit our first objective, but not our second. So just a break even on that trade. You can see it did bounce a little higher before it had the sell-off. So it was actually a pretty good trade entry location on a slightly longer time frame basis. But break even on that one, good profit on this one. So we only took those two trades. We didn't take the first one here, and that was it for today. Any questions or comments, just reach us at info@eminidaytrader.com, or our phone numbers on the website at eminidaytrader.com. So that'll be it for today. We've talked about some directional bias in the market and some support and resistance. So hopefully that will help you out going into tomorrow. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.